How to fix the Gumtree app not working on Android. This tutorial takes you through everything you need to do to get the app back up and running on your device. First, close the Gumtree app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps and reopen it to see if that clears things up. After that, open the Settings app, tap on Apps, and find Gumtree from the list. From there, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data one after the other. Moving on, tap on Battery and make sure it's set to Unrestricted so the app isn't being limited in the background. Following this, go back to App Info, tap on Permissions, and make sure all required permissions are enabled. From here, tap Force Stop to completely shut the app down, and then reopen it. Once done, open the Play Store, search for Gumtree, and install any available update. After this, if the app is still giving you trouble, tap Uninstall. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, tap Restart, and once your device is back on, reinstall Gumtree from the Play Store and sign back in. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Gumtree app on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.